Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, beta? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, beta? Turn on your cameras, beta. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Turn on your cameras, beta. Okay, Fatima. Uh, Sheikh Mohammed Zaid, beta, turn on your camera. Arisha Nasir, Ishal Ali, Mehda, Arisha Nasir, beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Okay. First of all, beta, yes, Abdul Rahman. What are you saying? Yes, Abdul Rahman.
बस फिर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
बेटा मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही? आर यू लिसनिंग मी बेटा? All of you tell me in your
मतलब कम कम आ रही।
beta check your device. Can you hear me beta? Tell me in your chat box. Yes beta. Can you hear me? Ishal. Okay. Okay beta. Beta Abdul Rahman beta check your device. Mohammed Zaid saying that
मतलब सही आ रही है।
okay. Now beta first of all raise your hands. How many students have attempted yesterday's mock? Raise your hands. Okay. Arisha Nasir, Fatima, you were there in yesterday in the mock. Maida, yes. Arisha, you did not attempt the mock yesterday. Okay. Hamza, were you there yesterday in the mock exam? Raise your hands, beta. Turn on your cameras, beta. Mukaddas, Arisha. Okay, Hamza. Turn on your cameras, all of you. Okay. Okay, Maida, I can see your copy. I can see the book of Ishal and Fatima. Okay. Okay, beta, first of all, in the start of my lecture, I want to explain the instructions once again. I was really disappointed for your behavior. कल जो आप लोगों का बिहेवियर था और जैसे आप मेन स्ट्रीम पर मैसेजेस कर रहे थे, दिस इज़ नॉट गुड. The these are your practice exams, these are not the jokes. Is it clear? जज़ाकल्ला यार, बहुत शुक्रिया. So the way all the students were attempting their mock was not good. Is it clear? Not only the management of the school was also uh, there, and in the Google Classroom, and everyone was worried about the behavior of eighth class especially. Okay, Arisha, this is the genuine reason. Is it clear? So I'm not saying that why are you, I'm just asking why are you not there yesterday. But like so many students, I don't want to recall the names of that students. You all know better. But this is not the right way to attempt the uh, Umar beta, don't do this, and just be focused towards your lecture. This is actually the behavior that you are all not serious in the studies. I told you in my first class that if you will not follow the instructions, you will not attempt the mock exam or final term exams properly. And most of the students did the same mistake. But beta Mukaddas, this is very necessary that you have to attempt these exams, and you have to prepare uh, your final exams. कैसे possible होगा, आप कैसे सब manage करेंगी? Okay, Zaid, turn on your camera, beta. Okay, now one by one, tell me what was the problem there in the previous test. Yes, first of all, Abdul Ahad. Abdul Ahad, turn on your mic, beta. Abdul Ahad, turn on your mic. Yes, beta, turn on. Abdul Ahad, turn on your mic. Otherwise, I will put you, turn on your mic or camera. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. What was the actual problem in the previous mock test? Tell me. Were you all there in any playground? तो आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे कल? Please be focused towards your exams. This is not a joke. I told you in my previous class the all the instructions and all the necessary things in detail, and you all did not follow it. But marks are not important in these mock exams, because marks are not going to include in any type of MT or final term result. These are your practice exams. If you are not, you will not serious in these exams, you will be disturbed in your final exam. Now tell me, I am asking you that what was the actual problem? You all didn't follow the instructions. First of all, uh, when I mentioned on the form number 3 that you have to write all the things, all the one word answers in uppercase. What was the meaning of uppercase? In my previous class, I told you that it means alphabets, yeah, capital letters. You have to write all the words in capital letter. if you are going to write Balochistan, then you have to write Balochistan spelling in the capital letter. The whole word will be written in capital letter. That is the meaning of uppercase. And I also gave you the example like the word Pakistan in the form that we usually we write the word Pakistan in P capital and then Akistan in lowercase. But I gave you I mentioned the instructions there, and I mentioned the word Pakistan in uppercase and all the alphabets of word Pakistan in the word in the uppercase in capital letter. So where was the problem? Why you all didn't um, follow the instructions when I gave you the specific time, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, and I told you in detail in my previous class that you have to learn, you have to read the instructions carefully first. So what was the problem? Any problem, Fatima? Tell me what was the problem?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस।
Any type of the problem? Yes, Fatima.
मिस जो आपने वन वर्ड आंसर दिए थे
Tell me,
उसमें
बेटा.
आखिरी वाला था ना,
मुझे आपकी
डैश
आवाज नहीं आ
प्लेटियस।
रही फातिमा. आपका माइक तो ऑन है. What are you
मिस
saying,
मिस जो वन
फातिमा?
वर्ड आंसर में आखिरी वाला था ना,
Okay, Fatima. Tell me in the chat box. Omar Iftikhar, did you attempt the previous mock of PST? Any problem? Did you face any problem? बेटा इसी तरह से अगर आप सब खामोश रहेंगे तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊं और हम बात कैसे करेंगे? मैं वन बाय वन सबको वेटिंग रूम में डालना शुरू कर रही हूँ और मैं अलाउ नहीं करूँगी आपको क्लास में आना. Turn on your cameras, participate in the class, don't waste your time. Next time when I will give you the mock or annual exam, I want to tell you that if your behavior is same like today's behavior and previous days behavior, then you will face most of the problems in your exam, and at that time we will not do anything for you. Okay, look at the instructions once again. Multiple forms will be uploaded in the classroom and these forms will be opened one by one. And now, what is the behavior of some students that miss form upload कर दें, खुदा के वास्ते कर दें, फलां कर दें. What, this is not your problem, beta. We have our specific time. On the specific time we will upload the form, we will restrict the form according to our schedule. Might be possible there will be some technical problem or there will be the difference of 1 or 2 minutes in your time and in our time, in our computer's time. So what is the problem? And after attempting the form, so many comments were there on the Google Classroom. There is no need to do to type any type of comment. If you are facing any genuine problem, then you can write down any comment. There is some respect of the teacher, some respect of the classroom, but especially Abdul Ahad, I am saying you. And if there is Abdul Wase, there will be Abdul Wase, then I told you, I want to tell Abdul Wase the respect of the classroom. Okay. If you have not any type of queries, then I don't want to explain you the instructions once again. I'm going to tell you something important about your topics. So open your books, especially the physical features of chapter Land and Climate of Pakistan, and the physical features of Pakistan. Open your books, open your cameras, show me your books, show me the specific page. Beta Fatima, right answer is good question. Your question is good. Thank you for asking the question. Balochistan. Only the answer was Balochistan. Read the question carefully. Plateau is located in the west of Kirthar and Suleiman range. जब मैं आपसे खुद से प्लेटू का वर्ड वहां पर पूछ रही हूँ तो फिर आपको प्लेटू लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Only the answer was Balochistan. If you will write the answer Balochistan Plateau, then it will be the wrong answer. गौर कीजिए अपने क्वेश्चंस पे. This is the thing that I want to explain to you all, but you all are not participating in the class. You are just in the class, you are wasting your time, you are passing your time कि किसी तरह से टाइम गुजर जाए और क्लास खत्म हो जाए. Beta, your land and climate chapter is a very tough chapter. You know, you have to learn very keenly every word of this chapter. Otherwise, you will not attempt your paper properly. I told you in earlier classes, and I am telling you today also. Is it clear? फातिमा, आपको अब क्लियर हुआ इस चीज़ के बारे में? Fatma, because your answer was correct, but you have written Balochistan Plateau. The right answer is Balochistan. Is it clear? So you need to be focused towards your especially one word questions. If I am going to give you one word question, then you are bound to give only the specific answer. Is it clear? If there is any name like Liaquat Ali Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, then these are the two words or three words, but these are considered, these words will be considered like a one word, because Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a name of a same personality, one personality. Is it clear? But Balochistan Plateau, no. I asked you already that the plateau which is near the or east the Kirthar and Suleiman whatever. तो जब मैंने आपको प्लेट्यू का वर्ड ऊपर ही बोल दिया तो आपको सिर्फ बलूचिस्तान लिखना है. इफ़ आई एम आस्किंग यू अबाउट एनी hills and I'm not going like Himalayas या Kohe Safed Hills, for example, and I'm not asking the word hill here in the question, then you have to write down the word full form of Kirthar or Kohe Safed Hills. If I'm asking one word in my question, then you have to only answer the one word. Is it clear? In one word. But if there will be any type of name, Edwin Peary, Sir Charles Napier, anything, इस तरह के अगर नाम है, then you have to write down the full form of a name in your one word answer in the uppercase. Is it clear? This will be considered one word. But Balochistan Plateau were the two different words. Is it clear? Any other question, beta? Thank you, Fatima, sharing with us your problem. Is this clear? Okay, Hamza. Yes, yes, Hamza, I know. You and Abdul Wase, I think. Abdul Wase said that the answer was right, but I have written this in the small beta, small letters. Beta, I told you that you have to be focused towards your instructions, which will be written on every form. First of all, if you have 8 minutes, if you have 6 minutes, first of all, don't start typing the answers or marking the correct answers immediately. You have to give some minutes to your instructions of the form, which will be written on the top of the form, the specific time, the specific marks. Is it clear? Every form is having specific marks, and according to the marks we have given you the minutes. Is it clear? So if you are going to attempt MCQs, then there must be given some extra time to you, so you can understand in well manners to about the MCQs. You can read the instructions, you can assess your time, you can manage your time. So time management is very necessary for attempting your mock as well as your final exams. Is it clear? जी बेटा हमसा, यही तो बात है, यही आपको क्लियर करना है कि आप पढ़ने की स्पीड तेज करें, आपकी प्रिपरेशन इतनी अच्छी होनी चाहिए कि आप उसको फौरन से पढ़ सकें. बट आई नो दैट एंड आई वी deliberately gave you a specific short time in the mocks. Is it clear? हमने आपको हमने आपको थोड़ा सा जानबूझकर डेलिबरेटली कम टाइम दिया है. ठीक है, उससे क्या होगा, आप रेडी होंगे, आप प्रिपेयर होंगे फॉर योर फाइनल एग्जाम. बट इन योर फाइनल एग्जाम, सपोज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट 25 MCQs, then I have given you the time of 35 or 40 minutes. Is it clear? So 40 minutes are enough. But reality is that if you are, better listen to me, Hamza. i'm telling you I'm telling you that we are deliberately giving you the specific short time in the mocks. Listen my words carefully, कि हम जानबूझकर आपको आपके मॉक्स में कम टाइम दे रहे हैं ताकि आपको जल्दी जल्दी अपना टाइम मैनेज करना आ जाए. उससे क्या होगा, आपको आप यूज टू हो जाएंगे. आप एक दिन में 3 से 4 या 5 मॉक्स को अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं, देन यू विल बी एबल टू अटेम्प्ट योर एनुअल एग्जाम्स इन द स्पेसिफिक गिवन टाइम. But in the annual exams we are going to give you a specific time according to your question. Is it clear? For example, if I am going to give you the MCQs in first form, and these MCQs are 25 MCQs, then I will give you the specific time of 35 minutes. Is it clear? So half an hour plus 5 minutes are enough for attempting 25 MCQs. और ये सब उसी सूरत में होगा जब आप सब बहुत अच्छे से अपने मॉक को अटेम्प्ट करना जान जाएंगे. एंड आई टोल्ड यू क्लियरली that time management is very necessary to attempt in attempting these mock exams as well as final exams. You have to you have to ready, and you have to prepare, totally prepared for your time management. Is it clear? आप फिक्र नहीं करें, एनुअल एग्जाम्स में आपका टाइम बढ़ाया हुआ है, वहां पर आपका टाइम कम नहीं मिलेगा. इज इट क्लियर? लेकिन इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं होगा कि आप आराम आराम से एक एक को पढ़े हैं. इन एनी केस, in mock exams, in final exams, you have to manage your time. Is it clear? You have to manage your time. And beta, 8 or 6 minutes are enough. कितने MCQs थे कल? Just 3 MCQs. And I gave you the double time. Is it clear? एक क्लिक ही तो करना था आपको. And all of you, most of the students didn't focus on the instructions as well. You all just attempt your MCQs immediately, and then some of the students were messaging me, commenting on the Google Classroom that Miss Agla upload kar de, Miss Agla. Beta, we are sitting here, we are looking at Google, we are checking you on Google Classroom, and there is no need in the future as well, there is no need to comment everything on the Google Classroom. Just do your work. We know that what are we doing. So we also gave you in final exams a specific time according to specific question. Now I'm going to discuss something very important to you all. As I told you that show me your books, open your chapter land and climate, and topic physical features of Pakistan. Open your book, beta, show me your books. Beta, if you are not going to open your books and not to show me your books, how is it possible that I tell you any important thing about your topics? मुझे किसी की बुक दिखाई नहीं दे रही, किसी का कैमरा ऑन नहीं है. ओके मानूर, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. ओके अरीशा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay, 10 minutes left. Is it clear? So be ready and be focused towards your book and lecture, and look at your book. First of all, yeah, you can see that the heading physical features of Pakistan, and there are 4 physical features here. Is it clear? So first, listen very carefully, beta. First form will be based on MCQs. Is it clear? First form will be based on MCQs. Might be possible there will be 25 or 30 MCQs. Is it clear? These MCQs are from your both chapters. Is it clear? So दोनों chapters में से MCQs होंगे. So if I'm going to give you 30 MCQs, then I will give you the time, specific time of 30 or 35 minutes. 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Is it clear? So there is much time to attempt the MCQs. Read MCQs very carefully, read the instructions first, and I'm going to tell you that your MCQs will be from both chapters. Open your books बेटा, I'm going to tell you. मैं last form इसी के ऊपर है, मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ. ठीक है? Okay. Second form will be about true false. True false are from both chapters, and I'm going to give you 20 true false. Is it clear? 20 true false. And the true false are also will be also based on your both chapters. Is it clear? Okay. Just 2 students are um, opening their cameras and turning on their cameras, but no one is listening to me. And Abdul Ahad, please listen carefully. I don't want any type of disturbance in the next mock or in the final exams. In final exams, there is no need to type any type of the comment on Google Classroom. Okay, 2 forms are there. first MCQs, second true false. If I am giving you the true false, 20 true false, then obviously I will give you the 20 minutes for 1 minute for each true fall, because at that time you will be expert. I think you will be used to attempt your paper. So there is no need to give you much time. So 20 true false, 20 minutes, because you have just to click true or false. You are not going to choose the correct answer, so there is no need to give you much time. Is it clear? third will be the Third form will be based on the column matching. This is new for you. Is it clear? So I'm going to try in my next mock. I will give you the column matching. Is it clear? So which type of column matching? I'm give you the name of any area, any hill station. Beta, turn on your next page, beta Manur. Manur, beta, show me the next page. Yes, like this you can see the next page. Yes, Arisha, the next on the next page you can see the different type of the mountains. Is it clear? The name of the mountains: lesser mountain, Himalaya mountains, and upper Himalaya mountains, whatever the names of the. So I'm asking anything, like I can ask, I can write that Himalayas, and I will write the other आंसर के हिमालय कहाँ है, मैं वो आंसर आपको कॉलम मैचिंग में दूसरी साइड पर दे दूंगी. सो योर देयर विल बी 10 कॉलम मैचिंग्स, बट दे हैव 2 सेक्शंस. ठीक है. थर्ड फॉर्म जो आपका होगा उसमें कॉलम मैचिंग किस तरह होंगे, बस ठीक है मानूर, इसी पे फोकस कीजिएगा. Okay, thank you so much. The sub Himalaya, is it clear? The heading is sub Himalaya. So I can ask you any mountain and I can give you the other side of the column, the sub Himalayans. Is it clear? Or I can write down any type of the mountain's name and I can write the in the second column Pir Panjal. Is it clear? So you have to match the accurate location of the mountains to the अदर. इज इट क्लियर? और ये किस तरह से होगा, एक साइड पर कॉलम बना होगा, ऊपर आपको कॉलम के वर्टिकली आपको मैं लिखूंगी, एक वर्ड वर्टिकली होगा, दूसरा हॉरिजेंटल सूरत में होगा, और हॉरिजेंटल के नीचे आपको सर्कल्स लगे होंगे, उनमें आपने राइट आंसर के नीचे क्लिक कर देना है. Is it clear? So column matching form will be having two parts, A section and B section. In A section, there will be 5 column matching, and same like that, in B section, there will be 5 column matching. Is it clear? So, ये कितने मार्क्स का होगा? 10 मार्क्स का होगा. Column matching will be of 10 marks, and I'm going to give you the 15 minutes for attempting the column matching. Wait a minute, beta. I'm going to open my book as well. Okay. For example, I'm going to give you the example of column matching. Is it clear? For example, I will give you the example Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Is it clear? I will give you the example of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and I'm going you this example from page number 53, Northeastern Mountain Range. Page 53, Northeastern Mountain Range, section C. सी सेक्शन की लाइन है, पेज नंबर 53 है, और उसमें देखिए, अब मैंने उसमें से सिर्फ बोल दिया खैबर पख्तूनख्वा, और मैंने लिख दिया मूनसून इन खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. इज इट क्लियर? कॉलम मैचिंग के फर्स्ट कॉलम में मैंने ये लिखा. इन द सेकंड कॉलम आई रोट दैट नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न माउंटेन रेंज. ठीक है. इज इट क्लियर? उससे क्या होगा, इसी तरह से मैं आपको 5 कॉलम्स एक बार में दूंगी, 5 कॉलम्स दूसरे बार में दूंगी. आपको उन कॉलम्स के अंदर से राइट आंसर के नीचे बने हुए सर्कल पे बस क्लिक कर देना है. इज दिस क्लियर? सबसे पहले मुझे, हम वी हैव 5 मिनट्स, सबसे पहले मुझे हैंड रेज करके बताइए कि आपको इस थर्ड फॉर्म की समझ आ गई है. And beta, one thing which is very necessary, read very, very carefully, very, very carefully the physical features of Pakistan and climate of Pakistan, because first two forms will be from both chapters, but the last two forms will be from these specific topics. These are very important topics. These topics are very in very detail. So these are the detailed topics. So I want to tell you that read carefully, underline everything, each and every important thing. Is it clear? Okay. बस दो स्टूडेंट्स को समझ में आया, अब्दुल रहमान एंड अरीशा. Better raise your hands. Last form is very important, and we have just 4 minutes. Okay, thank you so much. You can ask the question in my next class as well. Raise your hands, and you can ask the questions in the next class as well. If there will be any confusion, you can ask the questions once again. But there is no need to write down any type of comment during the mock on the mainstream of Google Classroom. Especially Abdul Ahad, listen me very carefully. You can ask any question in this classroom. Okay, okay, beta. Now, show me your books, Manur or Fatima or anyone. Beta, open your book. Now, I'm going to tell you about the form number 4. Is it clear? Form number 4 will be based on 3 or 4 sections. Is it clear? There will be the 20 marks or 15 marks. Is it clear? One or two sections are from the uh, plains and plateaus and deserts and what is this? Deserts and plains. Is it clear? And mountains. So might be possible there will be one section, first section of fourth form will be based on plains and mountains and plains of Pakistan. So I will give you MCQs type questions, and you have to answer the different type of the hills, different type of the areas. Like if I will give you the question, where is the Murray and Ayubia are located, then I will give you the three options: the Lesser Himalayas, or the Upper Himalayas, or the Indus Delta. You have to choose the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay, beta. Is it clear? Tell me, Arisha or Manur, Fatima, in your chat box, beta. 2 minutes left. Is this part of paper clear in your mind? Okay, then the form 4 will be on based on, I told you, 2 or 3 sections. So there might be possible the second section of your form 4 will be based on deserts and plains of Pakistan or climate of Pakistan. Then in the specific portion, I will ask you the same pattern. I will ask you the questions like same pattern. I will give you three options, and I will ask the any type of question about the climate of Pakistan. Is it clear? So be careful, especially for the topic of physical features of Pakistan. It is very complicated topic. It is very tough topic. So be focused in the topic of physical features of Pakistan and the climate of Pakistan. So बेटा आपके पास टोटल टाइम 1 hour and 40 minutes और 45 minutes होंगे. डोंट यू वरी. Fourth form will be based on 3 sections. If there will be 3 sections, and might be possible third section will be based on the one word answer, then I will give you the specific time. I know that there must be much time. So for you, we have to give you the much time, but don't you worry, time will be there. But you have to manage your time. You have to read the instructions carefully. Is it clear? So if the fourth form will be based on the 3 sections, then the marks will be 15 or 20. Then I will give you the 25 or 30 minutes to attempt the last form. Is it clear? So raise your hands. Tell me, beta, everything is clear in your